In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your gas cap. I want to go ahead and open up your gas cap door. I'm going to go ahead and twist and pop this here. In our case here, we're going to use a trim tool. I'm going to pop this little button right here. It's going to release the cap. Go ahead, pop that out and remove it. Now go ahead and take your gas cap, line that up, give it a few clicks to get that locked into place. And go ahead and take your retainer strap, line that up, press that into the body, and then close your gas cap door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.